going to play a couple of songs from the new record, Anniversary. It's an album of all love songs. And it's definitely been a year filled with love. This one is called Count on Me. It's a love song about love songs. A garden in my memory. Oh, my darling, you are all I can see. I love you. You can always count on me. And I told you in a reverie, I'll have and hold you like a melody. Just remember, you can always count on me. Walk in the sunshine, walk in shadow. Where you go, you know I will follow. Fortune, I can only guess. A change of heart or just a change of address. I will be there. You can always count on boundless as the skies are blue. Our joys are countless, though the years are few. And all my days, I will always count on you. Walk in the sunshine, walk in shadow. Where I go, I know you will follow. Timeless, when our song has come to an end, we can take it from the top again. You can always count me in. You can always count me in. You can always count on me. Ooh.